In Saruja we trust. As I told you guys, Saruja is now trading. We're gonna see, we're gonna open. He opened a lot also. And of course, check those positions. He is on the sell. Oh, I was a little bit too late. But he is on the sell. And as you can see, I'm gonna open like a lot. Gonna be on the sell also. Where I am behind Saruja with a bigger lot. As you can see, this is just going like this. And I always say, in Saruja we trust. Then we're gonna go like this. We're gonna see what the prices are doing. And of course we can decide, well, he is a little bit high. The thing is going up. Well, let's make another 0.25. I opened one lot to just show what's happening. You can see that, of course, the prices are going up. The prices are always going up, going down, going like that. You can see that the trade below the 0.22, that is Saruja. And you can see that I am gonna go like this. I can decide to just shut down this one lot now in a real time. Or I can just decide, well, let's just see what Saruja is doing. And I will shut it down when Saruja does. As you can also see in my other posts, normally I am making sure that I am opening multiple settings. I'm opening multiple things. And I am just making sure that when I close, Saruja closes also. As you can see now, I could have had $150, but I'm still having this position open. And now thinking, well, I wish I would have taken that $150. But this is just to show how it's going, guys. I can decide to shut down this trade any moment I want. So I can go like this now and say, well, you know what? I'm just going to keep it. As you can see now, I am like $150 on my own trade. I am not a trader. I don't really know how to do it. But in Saruja, we trust. You can see this, $200 on my own trade. In Saruja, we trust, guys. I'm teaching this to everybody. Of course, it is like, do your own opinion, you know. Like Saruja closed his lot, I'm also closing mine. You see, I could have gotten more. But I just make sure that I am doing what Saruja is doing. This was just a simple video to show you guys that I am not taking too many risks. I'm just following Saruja and just, show you how I am making that 20, 30, 40% a day. Stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep making money, guys. This is PTC Pat from the Netherlands, signing off.